Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to be sharing a 12 by 12 scrapbook layout using the Grandma collection from Echo Park. I actually found this at Tuesday morning, and when I saw it I was like perfect because I have so many pictures that I have yet to scrapbook, and I figured I could do multiple layouts. I can't talk, but I figured that I could do multiple layouts using one collection for all the grandmas. So I have Grandma Robinson, I have Grandma Quinones, and then I have Great Grandma Pike, and I am going to try to make layouts for all of them. In the process of making this video, I realized that my smart card was already full, and at some point it stopped recording the rest of the layout. But at the end of the video, I'm gonna bring you guys back and you guys will be able to see one collection and then 3 different layouts that I created with it. So I'm gonna start by making a frame. Although these 2 papers are different patterns, I ended up changing my mind, which is typical when I craft, you guys, because I thought that although the floral background is gorgeous, I thought that it was too busy and didn't necessarily go with what I wanted to do. I ended up so this layout is recording Great Grandma Pike, and I am going to be again keeping in mind that I'm still trying to work with the 2 patterns, but it was just too busy. So I'm going to bring in like a shade of green so that I could define the 2 different kinds of paper. And at some point in this video, the filming stops, so please forgive me for that, because again I didn't realize that the camera had stopped filming, and I didn't get to show you all the steps, which is okay because I mean you still get to see the layout anyways. So here is where I decided that the patterns were just not working for me, and so I ended up flipping the paper over, and this was the pattern that was in the back. I'm just going to adhere the frame that I've created, and off camera I have already so this was a grandma collection, but of course this is Great Grandma, so I needed to come up with the great, and I ended up using my Altenew alphabet dies to create the word great. And then I ended up cutting some florals or some greenery for the background, and off camera I also ended up stamping and fussy cutting some black and white flowers to go along with this layout. This layout, or actually I should say this kit, was very small. It didn't come with the usual stickers, die cutouts, multiple paper. I feel like I only got 5 pages of paper, so I made it work with what I have. I'm about to flip you guys back over to the video, and we'll see you at the end. Hey guys, so I am finally done with the scrapbook portion. I actually continued to work, and I didn't realize that my smart card got full, and so I didn't get to show you guys the final result. But here is the look of the layout that you guys just saw. I think it became so adorable. And then I wanted to use this same collection for another set of pictures. So this is the second layout, and this of course is my mom with little Mike and Adriana. And I don't have any current pictures. I actually am bad about that, so I want to do better. I've actually have not visited my family in California in a while, so we're due for a visit this year, and I need to capture current pictures. But it's still using the grandmother collection by Echo Park. This is great grandmother Pike. And of course the kids got to meet her, and they also got to meet Grandma Robinson, but I just haven't I didn't have enough for those layouts, so I need to use another collection for her pictures. But this is the look for great grandma. This is the look for, or the layout for, Grandma Quinones, and then this is the look for Grandma Robinson. So I was able to make 3 layouts of basically both grandmothers and then one great grandmother. Like I said, I have great Grandma Robinson. I just need to have another collection because I practically used everything, all the papers that came with the kit. This is all I have left. And of course this one didn't come with it. This one didn't come with it, but this is all the pieces that I have left. So I used everything. I didn't actually use a lot of the pictures. I mean, not the pictures, the stickers. Mostly because I didn't really know how to implement them. So, see? So I just kind of left it alone. Maybe we could put this one here. I don't know. But anyways, so yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys all 3 looks, and hopefully you guys have a favorite one, which one you like the best. And like I said, it's just an honor to all of our mothers and grandmothers and great grandmothers, women overall, you know. So anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this layout. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.